It is Chris with pennies2000s.com, and I want to do this video on this app, Ibotta. It's been a while since I've done a video on it, but I just want to show you that I'm still using it, still making money with it. It is actually a cashback app that you can use for going to different stores. They're going to give you cash back off products that you buy that's already on the app. It's going to show you how much you get cash back, all that kind of good stuff. I'm going to give you a tutorial on it, show you how I used it, show you how to cash out, all that good stuff. So you'll see here all the stores that they have. I'm going to kind of scroll over this, show you all the stores. They have lots of different stores on here. If you don't see it on here in particular, you can always use it in the search bar. I'm going to show you one with Walmart. So I'm going to go click on Walmart, and you can do it whether you're in the store or online, doesn't matter, as long as you buy the products. And it's going to show you all the things that they have there in the Walmart store that you can get cash back on. Right here, it's around Thanksgiving time. Sometimes they'll do offers where you can actually get the offer free. Basically, whatever you're going to pay for it, they're going to give you 100% of that back. So that's really cool. These are things that I've kind of, purchased in the past, similar items, things like that. So they have it in the For You section. They have what's hot, things like that. If it's something that you're interested in, all you can do is, click the plus sign, add it to the list. If you want to make sure it's the correct item, you can actually scan the barcode and it'll tell you if it's the correct item to get cash back on or not. But they have all these different, categories that you can choose from, showing you the exact amount of cash back you can get. And at the end, you'll scan your receipt after you've purchased them. So you can't, get cash back on unless you purchase it, obviously. So here's a list of all the items that I made, the things that I knew that I was going to buy. And basically just make sure you get your receipt. When you actually buy them, just make sure you get your receipt. That's the only way you're going to get your cash back, is you don't have to link your debit card, nothing like that. And so I'm going to submit my receipt. And you can just basically scan the barcode at Walmart stores and wait for it to kind of show all the items. And right there, it said the barcode match. And it'll give me all the items that it's all in the receipt. And it shows me how much I can collect. That's $12.75 for all these 11 offers. And I will click collect and just wait for it to go into my account. Now you saw I have 25 cents in my account at the beginning. So now I should have about $13. So let me click done and go back. You see they got 25 cents. So I'm going to refresh it now. And I got $13 just like that. So I kind of go back to the home page and refresh it again. And I actually have $18. And it's $18 because there's a bonus, a $5 bonus. I'm going to show you that real quick. Going back. Right here, it's like a weekend bonus. Sometimes you do it on the weekend, you get a little bit more. And there's a $12.75 from the offers that I got. So, I mean, that's pretty much how it works. It's very simple. Like I said, make sure you get your receipt and make sure you actually purchase the items. If it's a store that doesn't have a barcode at it, just make sure you take a picture of the full receipt so we can see all the items on there. And that way you can get credited for it. If for whatever reason you want to, if you have an item on there but you didn't actually get cash back on it, you can always, scan the barcode and it'll show that it's, been paid for and things like that. So as far as cashing out right here, you have to have a minimum of $20 to cash out. I don't have a minimum of $20. I mean, I only have $18, so I can't cash out. But you see the different options you can have, PayPal, banks, things like that. And the cool thing about it is they pay you instantly. So you don't have to wait at all for your money. The money goes right into your PayPal account. Or if you pay with a bank, it might take a couple days. But I know PayPal for sure is instant. So you get your money right there. You can, do whatever you want with it. But it's a really cool app. Every time I go grocery shopping, this is the app that I use. So I'm able to get cash back on it. So you can download it. You can put it on your phone, Android or Apple, doesn't matter. Get the cash back, take a picture of your receipt, and, make sure you click on the offer that you're going to use, collect your money, and then cash out. You get a minimum of $20. Very simple. So I'll leave the link to download it. They are offering a special for if you download it and you get your offers in, they will actually give you an additional $5 just for signing up. So, make sure you sign up, get that $5 and claim your first offer. Right. So link is in the description, and always remember, every penny counts. If you're interested in making even more money, I highly encourage you guys to visit my website, pennies2000s.com. That way you can see all the free websites and apps that I use to make money. And if you want to make some real money, I'm talking about $150 every single day. I can teach you the very easy steps that anybody can do. All you have to do is book a session with the link below.